You've been coming in here, what's it, 15, 20 years? All that time, all you ever had, shot in a beer. Maybe another shot in the beer. And I look forward to you coming in here, because when I see your car going by your parking, I pour your shot and I give myself permission to drink a small glass of Irish. That's the only time that I drink, when you're in here. That's my rule. Now, I've seen you go through 2 marriages, myriad, uncounted girlfriend, and now I see you're getting ready to marry 3rd time. Very nice girl. And I have a proposition for you. It's time for me to stop drinking. It's time for you to start staying home at night and be a better husband, boyfriend. Now, here's my proposition. Here's my deal. Let this be the last drink we have together. Name your first son.